I have 3 daylilies and they have started clumping. They are probably 4 years old. When should I dig and divide daylilies? And this is Cat Mom on YouTube. Yeah, Cat Mom.
All right.
So when should she divide those daylilies, you think?
Well, that's a good question. She says they're probably 4 years old. So typically daylilies could be divided every 3 to 5 years. So this is a good timing. I have heard daylily growers say that you can divide them anytime the shovel is sharp.
Okay, all right.
It is a tough plant.
Yes,
so
it is.
it's probably going to survive. The best time is probably summer, right after they bloom, because then you can divide them up, get them planted. There's still time for the roots to develop and get established before the winter. Second best time would be right about now, in early spring, as the foliage is coming up. That would still be time to move them. But technically, they could be divided anytime. It's such a tough plant. You may, if you divide it, say, when it's blooming or right before it blooms, you may lose some blooms on it. It may suffer a little bit. But daylilies are so tough that you should experience pretty good success anytime.
Yeah, daylilies are tough. I have some at home, of course. Cellador. Yeah,
Great.
divide them up, pull them apart, get as much of the roots as you possibly can. Plant them at the right depth.
Right.
They'll be fine. They'll be fine. They are tough plants. We hope you loved the video. We would love for you to ask more questions. Be sure to leave those questions in your comments.